We must work for all the victims of Omotoso. The EFF, once the GNU collapsed and they say the EFF goes into cabinet, we arrest Omotoso afresh and build a proper case, because Omotoso cannot do to our children what he did and still be free on our streets. I advise Omotoso, if it's still early, please, they gave you bail, just run and run very fast. Because if the EFF finds you, you are going to jail. Even that principal who is being handled differently compared to other suspects, the principal that raped Kwekwe must know that we are coming for him, we are going to arrest him, and we are going to arrest all those who are raping our children.